Let me introduce you to the newest member of this family.
Really?
Yes. Right?
Okay.
Go. Yeah. Lillian.
Father.
Meet Frank. Frank. Yeah. This is my daughter I was telling you about. Lillian. This is Frank.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Come here.
Are we going inside?
Mother, you look good. Mother, you too.
Thank you. Let's go inside.
My princess, what was that you just acted?
Nothing. You just look like someone I know, that's all.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Exactly, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
I am sure, Mother.
As you can see, suitors are not rushing to this palace. So this one we have, we are guarding him jealously. Are you really sure?
I'm sure. Of course, I know that suitors are not rushing here, so don't worry. Everything is fine. It's a promise.
Better.
Okay, so can we go back?
You can go.
No, you are coming with me.
What are you doing in our palace?
I know I sound confused, but I'm here because of your sister.
Madam,
Yes?
your car is ready.
Yes. Have you been doing this before? Because I've not seen you here.
No, I just started working here.
So where have you been before now?
Madam, it's a long story.
Long story. Then I would like to hear that long story.
Here. Madam, your car is ready now. Which one is you want to hear?
I just want to be here.
Give me, come on, give me money and go abeg. Madam, your money is 5,000. Oh.
Please, have your money.
Huh? 2,000. Oh wow, this fine car.
Which fine car?
Ha.
Please, just have the change.
Don't say it here.
If you don't mind, can we go to a cool place and talk?
But I told you I'm still working. I'm still washing the other cars.
Don't worry, I have discussed with Oga Joe. He permitted me.
He did?
He did.
Okay, you can go. Make sure you come back on time. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, let me change it to something better.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll be waiting.
The moment I saw you at the car wash, I knew that something was wrong somewhere.
So why did you pick interest?
Because I wonder what a handsome, well-spoken man like you will be doing at the car wash. Not that you bought your own car for washing.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, such is life. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. So.
Okay. Frank, will you like us?
Like us to do what?
Never mind.
Let's go inside.
Hey, how are you? You're welcome. How are you? You're welcome.
Mommy.
Welcome there.
You're beautiful.
Wow.
Daddy.
Yes.
This is Frank, my friend. In fact, my fiancé.
Really?
Yes.
Hi, Your Highness, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
And Frank, they are my lovely parents. The great King Odumije and his love.
Your Highness.
And that one over there is my naughty younger sister, Asa.
Young man, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Please sit down.
Yeah, please sit down. Yeah, young man.
My daughter said a lot of good things about you.
I hope she's not mistaken.
Your Highness, I can't be the judge over my own case, but I'm very glad to be here.
That is an intelligent answer. Very, very intelligent. So, where are you from?
I'm from Umoma village.
Our own Umoma?
Yes.
That is interesting. Very, very interesting. So, who is your father?
My father was late Reuben Idikeko.
This young man was my childhood friend. Highly intelligent and well-educated man. If his father had been alive, he would have been the owner of this kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
What about your mother? How is she?
My mother is fine. Thank you.
In those days, his late father and myself, we used to joke among ourselves that one day we'll grow up to be in-laws. Just look at what is happening now. You are welcome.
Thank you.
But this palace is also your home. So you are free to come in anytime and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. And I also want to thank you for not forgetting about the past. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Peggy.
Yes, sir.
I want you to personally take care of this young man. Make sure you provide everything he wants, okay? If there's anything you need and it's not available, just let your mother know. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Small world. I know, right?
Frank, take this. This is the last money in my account. But never mind. Okay?
5 million?
Yes. Use it and start up the business you told me about, since we have agreed to get married. Frank, I just want you to be comfortable and financially independent. One more thing. Have this.
For me?
The new Camry out there is for you, for your easy movement.
Thank you very much. I'm short of words. You're such a darling. I don't even know how to pay you back. Is that all? It's okay. That's okay. I can even do more than that. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Crazy. And funny at the same time. Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry, but I think we're in love.
And you think that would ever be possible here?
I know.
Frank.
So, your friends were not coming. Really? And you didn't like it? Everything has changed.
Mom, Uncle Frank is back.
What are you doing over there with Mommy?
I'm drinking juice.
You're drinking juice? Okay. Let's go see Mommy. Good afternoon, Your Highness.
You're welcome, Frank.
Thank you very much.
How was work?
Well, work was fine. I can see you're enjoying yourself. Let me quickly go in and freshen up. I just got back from work.
You need it.
Alright.
You must be tired.
Lucy, I'll see you later, okay? Alright, good girl.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
Mom, I love Uncle Frank.
He's a good man.
Lillian, what? Wait! Stop shouting! Why would I shout? Hey Frank, you cannot do the needful. I will tell that thing that will get you. No, wait. I will tell you that you left me. Don't do this. Frank, what are you doing this? Frank! Okay, wait. Don't do what?
Who's screaming?
That you should be mine! Are you not? I know. Are you not? Why can't you just do it?
Frank, how are you doing this morning?
I'm doing good, my king.
And how is our business going?
God has been faithful, my king.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Do you need any assistance now?
Not at all. I'm getting used to the challenges for now, my king.
Do not hesitate to let us know whenever the need arises.
No problem. Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Uncle, I have money. I can lend you some.
Oh, really?
See how he's talking. How much do you have?
It is a big money. 200 naira.
Oh my god. Wow. That's actually the biggest sum I've heard this week. Thank you, my baby. Thank you. Alright. Okay, sit. Come on. Sit. You okay? My king, I'll go to my chambers now.
It's alright.
Thank you, my king.
You're welcome.
He's a nice guy.
I'll be right back.
Alright.
So, my princess, you said you have how much? That's a lot of money.
Yeah, big money.
What are you doing here?
Nothing. I only want to see you.
Is there a problem?
Why should there be a problem for me to see or to talk to you? Asa. Why not say you're wrong?
Okay, I'm sorry, I can't go into the room because there are mosquitoes in there. So.
Come on, it's just the two of us. I want to tell you something. Come. Lillian, Peggy, our sister, is so lucky. Frank is handsome, educated, intelligent, and with a good baritone. I always love to see him talk. How I wish he is mine. I would have been the happiest woman on earth. You know, type is not always easy to come by. Are you not the one I'm talking to? Lillian! Stupid girl.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy, they want to come.
Bobby, honestly, I am so glad about making choice. I mean, I know that suitors are interested in our beautiful daughters.
I am happy too. At least now we will start calling on people who have been inviting us for their children's marriages.
But as a woman, have you noticed anything? I mean, are they compatible?
Of course. They are. They are just like two lovers.
Oh, that's good. Honestly, my ears are itching for good news. When are they trying to tie
They
me?
will, my king. They will. I think they are just taking their time.
That's good. That's good. But the time shouldn't be too long. I don't want to hear stories.
God forbid that you will hear bad stories. I'm on it. I'm on it.
I'm so happy. My first, I trust you. I trust you. I believe
Me too.
Odogwu ba anyị ekene nge ekele ọnụ. Ọkwa ihe na-eme dị anyị mma ọkwa ndị aka iji ekwu maka gị. Ọkwa ịgbara ọ na-ahụ amaghị atụ nshi ọ dị ka ọ dị n'ịga ọ bịa wee mepe ọgọdọ ahụ nshi anya. Igobe anyị mmụọ na mmadụ na-agbara ọsọ onye ọ dị na-ekene gị maka na ihe na-eme dị anyị mma. Ọ na-ahụ nwata nri ọkụkọ gbara agba ọhụụ dere ọrọwa ya anya. Na-ele m anya n'ihu ka ihu shi atọ m amụ maka na ọ na-ahụ ahụ ugo aṅụrịa anaghị ahụ ugo kwado ọba eburuke n'eziokwu. Ekpere m na-ekpere Chineke na-ayọ ya n'isi gị ogologo ndụ na ahụ isi ike maka na iji adịrị anyị ndụ karịa anyị nka chịka anyị nka maka na ihe na-eme dị anyị mma nya ka anyị ji ekwu okwu gị. Mana ọ na-ewute m tigbuo dike zọgbuo dike mbọsị ọgụ ma chọọ dike nwụọ ndị ọchị aka ndị akwa mana mberede na dike mberede ka eji ama dike igo ebe anyị asị ngide ebe ga-alụ mbọsị eji akpụ ichi akpụkpọ na ahụ ọnụ igo ebe anyị onye asị ya jide ka o ji na nke o ji kacha mma na-asị gị deje ga-alụ lekwa ikpere ala nwa ewu ji aṅụ nne ya ara.
Had a good day.
How are you?
Fine.
I called you to find out why I have not heard nor seen any sign of marriage preparation between you and Frank. What is going on?
Father.
Don't father me now. I am serious. What is going on? Tell me what I want to hear.
Alright, nothing. It's just that I want him to standardize his business first.
That is not a bad idea. But you see, I want you to know that it is a taboo to harbor any man that is yet to marry to you, whether in the palace or somewhere else. So, people are talking. If there is any problem, just let me know. If the money for the business is not enough, then tell me, I'm ready to support. Or if you want the marriage to go on and there's no money, I will sponsor the marriage. It's my duty to do that. Okay?
Okay, Father, I've heard you. You will hear from us soon.
Alright, I want your soon to be soon enough. Delay, they say, is dangerous.
Okay, thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
But I trust my man.
It's alright. It's alright.
Okay, Father, I heard you.
Alright.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
Igwe ebe anyị mgbe gboo mgbe tere aka ọ na-eme onye divida ibi etie ya echichi akpọgharị ya isi a na-enye ya emi orijiwa akwọ mana onye Igbo daa ibi onye ọ dị agbawara ya ọsọ na-enwezi ike esi eme ya anya na na-ele ma anya ọkwa ị nọ n'elu mana ọgara gị na-akpụ na ana n'ọpụtaghị na ọ karịrị gị akarị kama na ihe ị na-eme ka m na-ekwu okwu ya nsị na iji adịrị anyị mma dịrị onye ọ dị niile mma maka na ọ na-eme egbetụ ọ na ebuteghị nwa ọchịrị aja wee nago mgbe o ruru onwe ihe eji ezikọta ikere ya na-eje daalụ.
Yes, anything.
What should I go on?
Say what you have to say, I'm busy.
I want to come in.
Listen, answer. You have to stop coming here. Whatever you want to say should wait until I come out.
Let me just...
I just saw Asa sneaking into Frank's room. Now. I overheard Lillian inside the other room discussing with Frank as if the one that brought him in this palace. Hey. Well, let's watch and see what all this will give birth to. None of my business. What do you mean? Wait, if they lost him and he comes to any of us, Pretty, won't you like it? Hey. Daydreamer. Okay, go that way. I don't like it. Foolish girl. Hey, stop. Let me help you. No, I can do myself. No, let me help you. What are you doing? Let me help you. Sit with me. Let me help you.
Wait. What are you doing?
Like you don't know. Frank, do what you're supposed to do.
No, wait. I'm here because of your sister. I don't want her to find out.
Who cares? Frank, you belong to me. And nobody else is taking you away.
Okay, I understand, but you need to calm down, okay?
Oh, please.
Just stop.
Okay, no, I'm ready. What's up?
Okay, wait.
No!
Wait, cease. Your sister wanted to rape me.
Frank, you're funny. What do you mean by that?
But I'm serious.
See, Frank, instead of you to tell me that you're in love with my sisters, I will understand that. You're just a good comedian. Okay?
I'm a comedian.
That is right too.
Okay, that's fine. If you say so.
So have you taken anything today?
I didn't tell you I was hungry, did I?
Okay, sir.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy, they want to come.
Peggy.
Yes, ma'am.
What is going on? Is there any problem? Talk to me, I'm your mother. Why is it taking so long for you to start the preparation of your marriage with Frank?
Nothing, mother. Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes, mother. See, I shall notify you when the time comes. Okay? I have told father. We are just taking our time, nothing else.
Don't let it be too long, okay? Delay is dangerous.
Okay, mother.
Good day, Your Highness.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Alright, we'll be leaving you now so that both of you can talk, okay? Lucy, let's go.
Mom,
Let's
I want
go.
to be with Uncle.
You can stay. How are you?
Excuse me.
Huh? How was school today?
Mom, I corrected my t-shirt today.
Oh, you did? Really?
Lucy, you will not kill me in this house.
You know you're going to give me her type, right?
When the time comes,
Oh.
it's not for you.
Will you give that to me again?
Maybe.
You see, I got this for you, right? See, it fits your dress. Pink. And your dress is pink. Like it?
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. Frank is mine. He's my oh my. He's my oh my.
What was the meaning of what you just acted?
Mom, Frank is our brother now. I have nothing in mind.
No, Frank is not your brother. He is your sister's husband to be.
Exactly, Mom. He is our brother-in-law. It's only the law that differs.
Listen to me. Frank is a man and he has blood running in his veins. Always remember to put the in-law to differ.
Yes, Mom.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. He's my oh my.
I want to ask you a question.
A question? What's that?
Frank,
Huh?
do you like my sisters?
What type of question is that? Am I supposed to hate them? Of course I like them.
No.
Why'd you ask?
Never mind.
No, why the question?
Nothing, is just for asking sake.
Asking sake.
Okay, I'm sorry, okay?
Oh,
Nothing.
that's okay. Dad. Are you okay?
I am.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Wow. Yes, I do. Sit down. Okay. I want to ask you once again. What is delaying your marriage with Frank?
Nothing, Father. We have discussed. And very soon we will meet your mom.
Whatever things you're doing, you have to hurry on. You see, you buy one tapper, do not see all the season right on the boundary. Look at me very well. Yes. How many eyes do I have?
How many eyes do you have?
Yes.
2, of course.
You're wrong. I have 4 eyes.
4.
Yes. You have 1.
And I have 2 eyes. Likewise you.
You will not understand. What I'm saying is, you have to hurry.
Please tell me story.
Just hurry on, okay?
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy.
You think it should be a problem?
No, I believe you.
You sure?
Yeah, I believe you.
You want to help me with this?
Yes. Please. Take good care of yourself.
I will.
Okay? Just be careful.
I will.
Love you.
Thank you. Come here. Alright. Bye.
Take care. Just be careful.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. Frank is mine. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. Frank is mine.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing? What do you mean? Don't tell me you are blind. If you don't know what to say to me, let me leave. What do you mean? Frank is in trouble in the hands of Princess Lillian and Princess Asa. Good. Now I can confirm my doubts. But don't tell me men are scarce in this city. I wonder. That guy is cute. Lizzie, are you okay? Wait. Don't tell me you've joined them. Don't tell me you've joined the race. Did you say race? If it is war, I am ready to join. I can die for that guy. Can you imagine how he speaks? I can only imagine how the day will look when he will hug me. Hey. What? Let's just go, please. Let's go. This guy is mad. You will die with them.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy.
Why is it that Dad and Mom are so inquisitive about Frank and Peggy getting married? Am I not talking to someone? Lillian!
Asa, can't you talk about yourself? Don't you want a man of your own?
Look at who is talking.
Where is yours? Frank is my
brother-in-law!
Yeah.
touching me by Frank is mine.
Huh, no. Suspecting this girl? No. Mom said brother-in-law. Okay. Maybe that's what she meant.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling.
My king, are you trying to tell me that you are ignorant of the movement of Asa and Lillian towards Peggy's room when Peggy is not around?
That does not signify any danger to me. Everybody loves Frank. And besides, we are one big family now. Be careful not to implant any evil thought in the mind of those children.
God forbid. I'm only trying to play the role of a good mother and wife.
I know, but let's be careful when we are doing it. Let's do it with wisdom. Can you please check if my food is ready?
Yes, my king.
Luchy, how did you see it? Because you know we are the best of friends to Negro. And if we don't tell him, we will. You are very good. In fact, you said it all. And I know that his room everything will understand.
Honestly, I am happy having both of you as my friend. He's a member of my cabinet too. Yes, as regards what you people are saying, I and my mom, we have discussed tirelessly over it. And very, very soon I will call both of you to that agreement.
That's a very good one. It's a good news by you. But if I may ask, has the suit on show?
That is exactly what I mean.
Let me honest. Yes. It is one thing to have a suit. It is totally another to have a criminal. I mean the one that is so swell. I'm too well. No, yes.
Let me ask you just one question. Since I was born into this kingdom, have I ever done anything disrespectful or disgraceful? I don't intend doing it now. What I promise you is that I will present the right thing to this kingdom. It's glad that we are all happy. And I have a special wine. Can we use it to celebrate this?
So for whatever reason, you think with this, you've done great?
Lillian, what else do you want from me? What else can I do?
Frank, why are you acting as if you do not know that I can do better than Peggy? Well, why are you behaving like you don't know what I can do for you, Frank? I can do much more better. What can I not do for you, Frank? Fine. If you like, get upset. You are going to be mine and nobody can take you away from me. What's all this? You are mine. Obviously, you are mine! Can you just imagine? No. Peggy.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling.
How are you doing?
Very well.
Were you able to see Daddy's contractor today?
Yes, I was.
Wow. Is this not Frank's watch?
Yes.
So, what is he doing in your room?
Well, he was washing his car downstairs. And he gave it to me to, bring upstairs. But your door was locked, so I brought it here.
Frank, washing his car in those pants.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my.
Thank you. What is wrong with you?
Nothing, my princess.
Lizzie, I order you to say what is in your mind now.
My princess, nothing. It's just that I am not comfortable with your sister's movement around Brother Frank. You know, we all in this palace loves you so much. You have to watch it, my princess.
You see, thanks. But I know my sisters, okay? Frank is just like a brother we never had. Even mom and dad takes him as their own biological son. But don't worry, I appreciate your observation.
Okay, my princess.
Okay? Now, open this.
Stop what? She just caught us.
Come and finish what you started. I mean, I'm still up. I need to calm down. You can't leave me halfway.
You don't care that your sister saw you?
Oh, who cares? Come finish.
You're still... You don't... Stop.
Don't you think you're going to? Come on, okay. We shall see. We shall see. You're going nowhere. You see here. This is where you will remain. Nonsense.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. Frank is mine. He's my oh my.
Thank God you are here. What? What is going on? I saw Queen running upstairs. Hey. I also saw Peggy crying and running. Some seconds later, I saw Frank sweating and running after her. It's like something has come in the open. Yes. Lillian has finally forced herself on him. Because I saw her coming out of Frank's room, adjusting her clothes, chewing her gum carelessly. You see this palace? Wonder will never cease to happen. Come on, take care.
What is wrong with you? So of all the men in this world, it is your sister's husband that you can sleep with.
Mom, he's not her husband. He's not her husband.
One more word from you, you will pick all your teeth from the floor. Are you mad? What is all this? As beautiful as you are, you can't find your own suitor? What is all this?
I'm just looking for money. Money is the problem.
She's like
I'm just start that business. Yes, it will, because if I can raise some money now, I'll just start.
Lillian! Lillian! Where are you going?
Hey.
I'm here.
How are you?
I missed you. I was fetching with them.
I see that.
How are you? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What?
Just told.
What is it?
Open it.
Open it. I should open it. What's this?
It's open.
Okay. Open.
Where did you get this from? I saved it. You can use it to start the business you want to start in the city.
Lillian, you brought all this money for me? How do I thank you? I love you. Lillian, I love you so much. How do I pay you back? Thank you. Thank you. City, wait for me.
Excuse me. Please, I'm looking for Frank. Is he?
Someone here. Besides, he wasn't living here. He was always sporting with his fellow couple.
Can I see the couple? Can I talk to him?
He backed out as soon as Frank left. And I'm not that close to them as to have their number.
Should allow him to take decisions by himself. Are you mad?
Your father will hear this.
That does not change the fact. It does not change the fact, and it will not. It does not change the fact. You all should just leave him. Let him make his choice. Let him make his choice. What's all this?
Princess, I understand how you feel, but please, give me a chance to explain things to you.
Don't touch me. Don't! You ingrate! You disgust me!
I know. I feel guilty. I deserve everything. I'm ashamed of myself. But
of course you should be.
You disappointed me, Frank. Get out of here.
Your Majesty.
I wouldn't want to repeat myself. Get out. It's not like that. Okay? This is one of the temptations that comes with marriage. That was why I was telling you that delay is dangerous.
Mother, why is it my sisters? Why? Why, Mother, why? Why would Daddy hear about this? Why?
Because your father will not live with you when you're married. So the earlier you start learning it, the better for you. I know that the devil wants to steal my joy, but as long as I live, he will fail.
No, Mother. No, I can't, Mother.
Lillian, what is the meaning of that mess you did in there? Answer me! Who are you to judge me? Asa, who the hell are you to judge me? Huh? Do you know what you are? A shameless animal! That's exactly what you are, Lillian! If you dare call me names again, you will not like the outcome of it. Don't try it again. Look, you are my elder sister, but I can beat you blue, black, yellow, purple if you dare me. What is wrong with you? Why can't you look for your own life for crying out loud?
Tell me, did she just say look for my own man? What makes you think Frank is not mine? I mean, all of you should allow this young man to choose who is more important to him. Oh, this beast, you are still talking! You still have more to talk! Huh? Look how he's talking. Hey! Sam! Yes. You really think you're smart, don't you? What do you mean? You think I don't know your movement in and outside his bedroom? Listen to me. He does not want you. Let him be! What are you saying?
Stop! Will you stop? When did this nonsense start? I mean, when did this nonsense start in this palace? I'm asking you! What is the problem?
Nothing, Daddy.
Nothing?
Yes, Daddy.
Did I just hear nothing? There better be nothing. Because if I hear this noise again in this palace, then there will be something.
This is Frank's fault! It's all his fault!
My queen, I say this from the bottom of my heart. I don't mean to bring any harm to your household, but the truth is I don't even know how it happened. I don't know what came over me. Please, I am sorry. I am.
Trusted you. I loved you like my son. We all loved you. Why? Why?
My queen, I'm so sorry. It will never happen again. I promise. You know, she's a good person. She's a good person, but I promise you it won't happen again.
Well, I'll try and talk her into seeing you. You're a man, I can't tell you what to do. But I suggest you take her to the settlement zone of a man and woman, a husband and wife. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Good.
Wait. Please. There's something that is stopping me.
Like what?
Wait. Please help me beg your friend Lizzie.
Okay.
To stop chasing me. Looking at this, my fine boy. I mean, you see?
Reto, and what makes you think that Lizzie remembered your existence? Or that Princess Lilia may even consider seeing you in a dream a bad one?
Hey! Nuku Tobonka! Hey! There is nothing where James no go see for this palace. Hi! Atagoma Fofo. Atagoma Fofo. Wait. No. By the time I become the crown prince of this palace, this kingdom. In short, all of you should start writing your resignation letter. I will fire. I will disengage. I will remove all of you from this kingdom. Nonsense.
I want to thank you for your forgiveness and understanding.
Kudos to my mom. But Frank, please. I beg you in the name of God. Stay away from my sisters, no matter what.
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Stop. Stop. What is wrong with you?
Their eyes rolling, their hearts empty. They want to come and steal my
Princess. Yes? I can't remember inviting you. How may I help you?
I came on my own. I mean, I've appointed myself your personal assistant. I mean, I want to be doing everything for you. I mean, going everywhere with you, even cleaning your shoes. You know, your nails even. I'm at your service. As I'm talking to you now, a lot of good things will come out of you.
James.
Yeah, my lady.
I want to believe that you are no more standing here. Look at me. What do you see?
Yeah, your eyes closed.
Good. By the time I open these eyes, I believe you're gone. Thinking about my life. Common guard, a guard, palace guard, wants to be my private, my personal. I don't understand. What does this guy mean?
What nonsense is this? What is it? Can't you let me be?
Can I sit?
What nonsense is this?
I'm glad you kids have decided to make us proud. So when are you visiting this family?
At any moment from now, we all meet.
Oh, that's good.
I spoke with my in-law.
Mother, in-law only.
Of course. And he told me that he has informed his people.
That's good.
I should tell the king about this.
Can't you understand how much I love you? Can't you understand? I mean, my heart is beating so fast for you. Why are you treating me like this?
How am I treating you? I'm about to get married to your sister. Can't you understand?
Can't you understand what? Why did you take that to Lillian?
Hey, no!
That's good. And in that case, anything you're ready for the trip, just let me know. I'll be provided with it for your journey. Okay?
Please, Father, you are equal to the tax. Okay? But for you, listen. I will entertain your friends that day. Okay?
Listen. You won't understand. Okay? But when the time comes, you will. But I need you to do me a favor. Don't get involved in this. Please.
Well, when it comes to whatever you're going to wear that day, trust me, it's a way.
That is my mom.
That's not my fucking. When it comes to clothes, it's fine.
Yeah, please. Just
Just one more time.
Okay, that's enough. Let's go.
Just one.
Let's go. Let's go.
Just one.
Let's go. Let's go.
Just one. Just one.
Your Majesty. Yes. This marriage, when is it taking place?
As soon as he returned from his family house, they went there for a meeting.
Cabinet members must not be informed now until every arrangement has been put in place.
You're right. That's exactly what I discussed with my lord. Good.
Very good, Your Majesty. Because some people can be very dangerous, especially in situations like mostly those that are eyeing the throne.
You're correct. You're correct. I will call both of you back as soon as everything is set to continue the arrangement.
Good.
Yes.
You can rely on us.
I know that. I know that. Now I can offer you people drink, have we?
Yes, the imported one.
Exactly.
You know that.
Let's go.
Lizzie, say what you want to say.
I can't remember, my princess. I've forgotten.
You have forgotten?
Yes, my princess.
That is your business. Get out of here. Get out.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. Frank is mine. He's my oh my.
What is that thing you wanted to tell Peggy when we were back going out this morning?
I still can't remember, my princess.
You still can't remember?
Yes, my princess.
Now, make sure you forget it completely. Because if it's what I'm thinking, I will make sure that I bath you with hot water. Did you hear me?
Yes, my princess.
Come on, smell out.
Thank you.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my.
And why are you sitting all by yourself? You're not even drinking anything.
Mommy, nothing. It's just that I have not been feeling fine since yesterday.
Really?
Yes,
Have you been to the hospital?
no, Mommy.
What are you waiting for? Do you know that?
General overseer.
Doctor in the house. My dear,
Yes, Mom.
you go to the hospital and run some tests. So that they will know if it is something they will start treatment immediately.
I'll do that tomorrow.
Want to eat something? Should I take them to get you some juice?
No, Mom, I don't want to take anything.
Alright. Let's go. We'll sing her. Yes, are you not happy?
Oh, Mom? Mom, I'm back.
Wow, congratulations.
Please, Mom, let me go up and pull up my hair, please.
Alright, my dear. Yes.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah.
What did you do? What happened? Becky! Becky, get up!
I can't believe this. So this has been happening under my nose. I don't know. I don't know this. Did you tell me? How? That boy. What is his name? Frank, or what is he calling? That baby does not deserve any of my precious daughters. No! The future queen of this land is not possible. Tell him to stay away from me. Is to stay away from this fight. I don't want to see him. Because if I see him, I'm going to kill him alive. I will kill him by my hand. Nonsense. So you came to this place to ruin my family. No, I will not take it. Nonsense. No.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what are you doing? I'm trying to lie on my body.
No, this is my body. I decide who comes close to it. Are you dumb?
Really? If there's anyone who is dumb here, it should be. Why are you trying so hard to deny me what is mine? Why are you doing that?
No, this body is no longer yours. Yes.
That's a lie. It's still mine.
Okay, you know you have made this place hell for me.
Whose fault is that? Yes, that's what you want. You chose it. Just do the needful. Simple.
I think somebody needs to hear this.
Are you kidding me right now? Frank. Oh yes, you are. Because if there's anyone who should be saying that, then it should be me.
I need to rest, please. Just go.
Really? You need it.
You really do.
But let me tell you, the earlier you do what is right, the better for all of us. And as for your information, this game you are playing, I am better at it. Nonsense.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my.
Yeah, hold on.
Is my oh my, is my oh my. I bought this for you.
Oh. Thank you very much.
Do you like it?
Oh yes, I love it. I love it. Wow. Can you do something for me? I actually want others to witness the handover of this particular one. So why don't you just, can you do that for me?
Okay, I will.
Or you just keep this for me. I was actually on my way out when you came in, so just keep it for me, okay?
Make sure you come back on time.
Thank you.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my, he's my oh my, he's my oh my. Frank is mine, he's my oh my, he's my oh my, he's my oh my. Frank is mine.
Yeah.
Can I sleep with you in your room? I'm afraid sleeping alone in my room since Peggy traveled.
Just go back to your room. I'll come to check on you from time to time.
Why won't I sleep with you here now? Just to sleep with you. Just to sleep here.
But you haven't noticed, since Peggy traveled, the queen is always coming around to, monitor the movement around this place. And she was here a few minutes ago. I'm sure she will still come back again. Yes.
I have not noticed though.
And just go back to your room. I'll come and see you. Yes.
Okay.
I'll come and check on you.
Okay now. I'll be waiting now.
Okay.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my, he's my oh my, he's my oh my. Frank is mine, he's my oh my. He's my oh my, he's my oh my. Frank is mine. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man.
Hey. I saw you when you walked in, so I quickly brought what I made especially for you.
It's just that I'm full. I ate on my way back, so.
I made this specially for you. I mean, taste it. Just taste it. You will like it.
I know, but I'm full actually. I'm full. That's what I'm saying.
Is that what you're going to tell your wife?
Alright, so then I'll sort it out. But you can have it, alright?
Okay.
I'll have it later.
Alright.
Alright, let's go. I actually was on my way out before you came. Yeah.
Alright. I'll be right back.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man.
So, I called both of you to let you know that, so I can tell you that I'm your brother. See me as your brother. I'm your brother.
The reason you had the guts to dash out the food I so far to prepare for you to James, one of the guards. Huh?
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. Frank is mine. He's my oh my. He's my oh my.
Listen to me. It is either you have a rethink and do the needful, or I'll tell my father the truth. And you know what that means? You will simply be thrown out of this palace. So choose your path wisely.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal.
My lovely daughter, I know how you feel. I know how painful the whole thing is. But believe me, it will be more painful if we allow Frank to go away from this palace. What do you think people will say? That suitors don't come their way. The only one that came, they started dragging him and he left. Moreover, the elders are aware of this marriage.
Mother, this time I don't care about anybody or anything.
Well, I believe that once both of you are married, all this nonsense will stop.
What if it becomes worse? What if the palace maidens join the race? Mother, I can't. No.
Okay. So, what happens to his baby? Your baby in your womb?
Mother, I will abort it.
God forbid. You will do no such thing. I will will never allow you to do a thing like that. Listen, Peggy. If you want to go ahead and do it, you will have me and every other person to contend with. Trust me.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. He's my oh my. Frank is.
My princess, are you alright? My princess, are you sure you are fine?
Leave me! I don't get it! What do you mean? What do you mean? Stop! Leave me! I don't like this kind of thing! Enough! Shut up your mouth! Shut up! Huh? So, you think you can go free? You can't try it. Open your mouth! You know what you can do? Get me! I will kill you outside! You will kill me! What is happening? I will show you that I'm your elder sister! I am your elder sister! Come on, get out! What is wrong with you? Are you mad or something? I will kill you! I will kill your baby! I will kill your baby! What is wrong with you? Peggy, let's go. You will see. You cannot fight me. Who will see? You. Don't you?
Why are all these things happening? Why? Oh Lord, I hate myself. I hate everything. I hate my life. I hate everything. I hate my destiny. I hate my future. I hate myself.
I am quite sure of what I saw.
It's no news. It's not the first nor the second.
Then she must be real sick. Sick, you said? She is pregnant. That is the sign. So what is going to happen now? You can only wait until the end of this drama.
What drama? You know not to put that poor boy in trouble.
But wait, is he a fool?
You guys should stay. gossip about what is not your business. I am going back to my duty. Please wait for me. I'm going with you.
Let's go. Leave her.
My king, I believe that if you talk to your daughter, she would listen to you.
Why will I do that? I'm asking you. Why will I do that? Look, as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to stand by Peggy in whatever decision she takes on this matter.
My king, that is wrong. The boy cannot just go like that. Okay, if Frank leaves, that means our daughter will be walking pregnant everywhere without a husband. Okay. What about that marriage you probably told your friends about? And the elders of this great kingdom?
Dad, please tell Uncle Frank to marry Auntie Peggy so that they'll give birth to a fine baby for me, because I don't like how Auntie's crying.
Did you hear that? Did you hear what our little girl had said? My king, please. Do not let the devil spoil this marriage we've been waiting for all along. Don't give the devil the room to see to your downfall. Our enemies are out there waiting for you to fail. Frank is not the problem here. Devil is.
But Mom, is there a devil living with us?
Sweetheart, devil is everywhere. Okay? My king, I have always known you as an intelligent king. Take the best decision. Take the wise decision.
Frank, what wrong have I done to you? Have I ever denied you of anything? I gave you everything just to make you a super husband that will assume the throne of my father.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I feel very ashamed of myself. I'm completely short of words. I deserve however you decide to treat me. And so, yeah.
Good, you know. Good, you know. Now I want my money to the last kobo and the car. Then leave my father's compound in peace.
Listen, I'm ready to give up everything, alright? I'm ready to give up everything. But on the condition that you must forgive me.
That is your business.
I don't care about what anybody is saying. All I know is that Frank is not going anywhere. Or wherever he goes, I, Asa, will go with him.
You are just an intruder. And I hate talking to an intruder.
Oh, really? What are you, Big Six? If not an intruder too? Tell me, are you not the one that started it first? You still have more to talk to me, right?
Well, yes. And that is because I am the real first of first. If you must know. That jewel, Frank, is mine. And over my dead body will I allow anybody take him away from me. Do you understand? Do you understand me?
Anyways, why must I even waste my
precious time talking to a drowning swimmer like you. Leave him alone. I will not warn you again. Do you know what you are? Do you know what you are? Tell me. You're just an empty tank. Well, you can enjoy him this once. Because obviously, you will not get such opportunities again. Leave him alone. I will not warn you again. Loser! You're a loser! Stupid girl.
Wait. Oh, you think you can just destroy me and go away with it?
No, I didn't destroy you. I haven't. No.
You fool.
No.
I made you a giant, and I can still reduce you to a dwarf.
I know, but wait. See, I can explain. I can make, we can...
Go to hell and say hello to your grandma.
What is it? What is wrong with you?
Frank.
What is the problem?
Nothing. It was a dream.
A dream?
It's okay, you can go back to sleep.
It was just a dream.
I hope you're okay.
I'm fine. Princess, I want to thank you for your understanding.
Don't worry. I later realized that the devil is at work.
Knock, knock. Wow.
Your Highness.
Oh. Oh my goodness, I like this. This is the way I would like you to be staying all the time, like very close. This is wonderful. Oh well, the king said I should tell both of you to go to Frank's place and ascertain the date for the marriage.
That's fine, Your Highness. I'll do that tomorrow.
Alright, that's good. So my princess.
Yes, Mom.
How is my grandchild doing?
Fine, Mom. I'm okay. The baby is fine.
I'm glad. Alright, let both of you enjoy yourselves. Alright, bye.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Did I tell you look like your father?
Please.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my, he's my oh my, he's my oh my. Frank is my.
My princess. What is it, my princess? My princess, what is it?
Headache, miss with business.
My princess, let me help you in.
Let's wait a little. I'll be fine. Okay?
Are you sure, my princess?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Sorry, my princess.
Oh, it's okay. I'll be fine.
Sorry, my princess.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal.
And that is how we met, right?
Yes. Perfect.
So I'll be expecting their call tomorrow, right?
Yes, well, we accepted it.
Even confirmed your friendly relationship with the family, even before you became rich.
That is interesting.
Well, the Ume you met was my classmate in school. He was a very intelligent man, very brilliant.
So, Uncle Frank, you have a home.
Yes, I do have a home. Who doesn't? Everybody does.
So that is where you are taking Aunt Peggy to after.
Yes.
Is it as fine as this place?
Lucy!
I will go and live with you and Auntie.
And you will leave Mom?
Impossible. I will come to visit you and Dad because I love you so much.
And we love you, Mom.
Yeah, I love you too.
What? Does it mean that two of them are pregnant?
Who will I ask?
But the symptoms are there. The symptoms are there. Do you know what is in my mind right now?
What?
To tell the queen what we both noticed. After all, it's part of our work in this palace.
It sounds somehow.
But I think it's good we tell her before it's too late.
Yes.
It's good we tell her. In fact, let me go and tell her now myself.
Better. Yes? What is it?
I saw Princess Lillian vomiting at the backyard.
Call her for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to.
Mother, you sent for me.
Sit. Are you pregnant?
It's my oh my, it's my oh my, Frank is.
My princess, are you alright? My princess, are you sure you are fine? I'm only feeling feverish.
You will have to go and see our family doctor.
Okay. Can I go now?
Of course.
A sheep has 4 feet. I have 2 feet. The sheep fell on the hill. Let us go to meet the sheep. Ben has to keep this sheep. He has a sheepdog. If a sheep gets away, Ben and the dog must seek it. One sheep ran away. Ben did not see it go. I ran to the woods. Ben did not see it for a week. One day, Ben went to the woods and saw the sheep in a pit.
Mom, there's something I want to talk to you about.
Okay. What is it? What's the problem?
Headache and dizziness. Sister, I wake up.
Since when? Relax. Just sit. Sit.
So what happened to her, sir?
I think she slumped.
Slump? So why are you waiting for me to tell you what to do before you do something? Take her to our doctor for proper tests and treatment. I don't want any stories, please.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my, he's my oh my, he's my oh my. Frank is mine, he's my oh my. He's my oh my, he's my oh my, Frank is mine.
Lovely, okay.
How did it go?
They are all pregnant.
What? Who is responsible? Who is responsible for this pregnancy in this palace? Are you all there? I'm asking you, who is responsible?
Frank, Dad.
Huh? Which Frank?
It's Frank.
Hey.
But she couldn't listen. See now she's fighting. Oh, my dear. She's choosing the bitter one for herself. Oh. Please, I beg you.
Hey, stop that rubbish. Wait. Listen, you girls will suffer in my hands.
Huh?
I mean, when I will marry Asa and become the grand prince, if not the king of this kingdom.
Hey, Joseph, the winner. That is what you are. Because Dave and Don knows what to say at every point, but cannot say it. Likewise you. You want to be wicked to everyone. But your father is poor. Your father is poor. Poorer than George Rat.
Oh,
any day you become the crown prince of this palace, I will be the queen of England.
Hey!
Hey!
Don't worry. It means these girls are not afraid of me for one bit. Hi. What will I kill now? So that these girls will... Yes. If I killed you, no. Ha! Then it means they will sack all of us. No, I can't lose my job, because of these rats. It's not possible. But that's how it's beautiful to marry. But if I kill the queen, it means that the king will kill me. Church Abasa. No, get fired. What will I kill? I need these girls to fear me. I mean, fear my capability now. This powers is making... Oh, okay. No. I'll kill God with my parents. So that anytime Queen wants to kill a goat. Kill it by bare hands. All of them. You respect me. That's the best. Ha! Up one. Ha! Okay, now, here.
God! I'm here. Listen to me and listen good. On no account should Frank leave this compound. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
If you default, I will skin you alive.
Yes, my queen.
Get out.
Baby, calm down.
Oh, baby, kill you. Baby, kill you. How many things you have done?
No, wait. I'm sorry. Listen, you know you're pregnant. You have to calm down so that you don't lose the baby.
So you can still remember that I'm pregnant for you. Frank, you're up to something. You're something else, Frank. Can't you see? I hate you.
No, please, wait, let me.
Frank, I hate you.
Let me
You are a
explain.
mistake. You are a mistake, Frank.
My king, please do not let this situation get to you. Let us continue with our plans.
Woman, I need to be left alone. Please, just go away. I beg you.
My husband, they say two good heads are better than one. Let us try and put our heads together.
Woman, I said leave me alone. Just take away those two good heads now, or I will pieces them with that bad one. And I am serious.
This is what we are facing here now. So I invited both of you because I know you have the interest of this palace at heart. And you are the only ones who people could make him see reason.
Ichembu, Nakuya?
Yes.
My queen. Is this what is trending in the royal family right now?
Yes, so...
What's the decision of our king on this issue?
Nothing yet. But from the look of things, he wants the boy out.
That'll be very dicey, my queen.
Of course. Very dicey.
I know.
I mean, if you throw a stone in the thick shrub, you can't tell what kind of animal will run out. Huh? While you are expecting the rabbit, it could be a snake. My amiable queen.
Yes, Ichie.
We've heard you. We will discuss with them. Right now, we cannot afford that kind of scandal in this royal family.
Exactly.
We cannot.
Exactly.
We'll do our best.
Thank you very much.
Just relax.
Just take it easy.
What's the problem?
Crown Prince! Congratulations, bro!
When if you who told you I'm a grand prince?
Oh, are you not? Crown Prince Mo. James, yeah. Who impregnated your wife? Or your wife? He's not the one. He can't be. Can't you see that he's not man enough? Allowing another man to do his work. Now he's not man enough.
But by the time I kill goat with my bare hands, all of them were risen. But why is it that you have not killed goats all this while? But don't worry, let's see what happens.
Sir, can you see the queen first?
Is there a problem? My friend, open the gate. What? Okay, the car, right? No problem.
Open the gate! Did she also instruct you not to let me go out with my own legs?
Please, I see your face. I'm only working on instruction.
What do you mean? She asked you not to let me out with my own legs?
I'm only working on instruction.
Are you crazy? That's house arrest! You're keeping me under house arrest!
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. He's my oh my, he's my oh my.
My queen, you sent for me.
Frank, what have I ever done to you? Why did you do this to me? And you even had the guts of trying to run away. I knew it. I knew this would happen someday.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to run away. I was going to hide my face in shame. Because I don't know how, I don't know. I was under fire, I was under pressure, I was just trying to cool off. I wasn't running away.
Really? You wanted to cool off?
I tried everything possible to avert the problem. But I don't know what happened, it wasn't intentional.
Oh, really? It was not intentional. Which of them was not intentional? Was it the first or the second? Like you have killed me.
My queen, I am sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I know you're upset with me. I'm equally very ashamed of myself, but I promise it will never happen again. Please. Your Highness, please forgive me. I promise to make it up to you, please.
What I want you to do, make sure you don't cross that gate again until this fire is quenched.
Yes, Your Highness. Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, can I leave now? Thank you.
If I do something I will regret.
But at least hear me out first.
Frank, I don't want to entertain more lies. Just get out of here, please.
Listen, I know you're angry. I know you're upset. But I'm ready to give back everything you gave me. But I want you to remember one thing. I need you to speak to your sisters. I mean, you must caution them. The way they barge into my room, I'm not comfortable. I don't understand.
Frank, my sisters, they mean no harm. Okay? I know them too well. It's just that they can be lovely to a stranger. And that is all. Yes.
Okay. I just don't want any trouble, that's all.
Please, nothing. Just come on. Nothing is happening.
Okay.
are you not opening?
Huh?
Why are you not opening?
Your sister wanted to rape me.
Frank, you're funny. What do you mean by that?
But I'm serious.
See, Frank, instead of you to tell me that you're in love with my sisters, I will understand that. You're just a good comedian. Okay?
I'm a comedian.
That is what you are.
Okay, that's fine. If you say so.
So have you taken anything today?
I didn't tell you I was hungry yet.
Okay.
I mean, we can sort things out. If you want.
Igwe, you know we are your best friends. Whatever we have heard here will not be heard outside. We need to reason as adults.
Ichembu, you are very correct. Igwe, that young man is like it's a fly perching on your scrotum. You have to either kill it or chase it away with care. Chasing that boy away will open up a can of worms. So I want to strongly suggest that we stick to our original plan of marrying Princess Peggy to him.
That's my humble suggestion. Okay, fine. So what happened to the others? They can deliver. After all, you do not have a son. Who knows?
It's very correct, Igwe. Very correct. It's to your own advantage. Igwe, please, listen to us. Take our advice before this whole thing becomes news.
Yes, man. You came into this palace and welcomed with open arms. Why would you have to do this to us? Can you just tell us why you did what you did?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I was under pressure.
Under pressure?
Lillian, wait! Stop shouting! Why would I shout? Hey Frank, you cannot be useful! I will tell that thing that you reject you. No, wait. I will tell you that you left me! You want to do this? Frank, what are you doing this? Wait. Don't do what?
Who's screaming?
That you should be mine! Are you not?
I know.
Are you not? Why can't you just do it?
I cannot believe such a thing could happen under my nose. I started suspecting them when I saw the movement on that corridor.
It's okay. Let me ask you this question. Do you still love Peggy? And do you still want to marry her?
Yes.
My good friends, honestly, I cannot stop thanking you.
You're welcome, Igwe.
I have decided to heed to your advice. So you can go ahead and continue with the arrangement for Princess Peggy's marriage.
That's very good. Now that you have come, I think we'll start immediately.
Igwe, you remain a man of honor. We shall do our best. So we start.
I know, I can always count on you.
Of course.
Thank you very much for your kindly advice.
I will enjoy.
It's always so.
Yes.
You can't kill yourself!
What is happening here?
Your sister came in here with a knife. Huh? Threatening to kill herself if I don't marry her.
Asa, are you stupid or what? What is wrong with you? Why are you not
categorically clear that I do not accept your judgment, Father. Me too. Because we all are pregnant for him. So how come he's getting married to Hegi alone?
I mean, both of you, just listen to the way you talk. So you are not ashamed. Forcing yourself on your elder sister husband to leave. You're not ashamed. Oh, threatening him with life and death.
Point of correction. And Dad, I am not threatening him. I'm only asking for what is mine. Frank here is mine.
Will you shut up?
I won't shut up. Even if I have to die. This is the moment of truth. And he knows it.
I see. Lillian, there's something you are not telling us.
True. Which I am going to say right now. Frank is Lucy's father.
It's not true. These are my parents.
How do you mean, Lily? It happened 8 years ago. After my journey. While I was waiting for my result. I met him close to his house. He only just finished with his youth service there. So, one thing led to the other. We slept together. When I found out I was pregnant, I searched for him. But he was nowhere to be found. Which was why when you both were persuading me, I couldn't point at anyone because he was nowhere to be found. But before he disappeared, he asked me for help. That was the 500,000 I was looking for. I stole it to make him happy.
I'm just looking for money. Money is the problem. Yes, it will, because if I can raise some money now, I'll just start.
Lillian! Lillian! Where are you going? I'm here.
How are you?
I missed you. I was fetching with them.
I see that.
How are you? Are you okay? I miss you too.
I'm fine.
What?
Just told.
What is it?
Open it.
Open it. I should open it. What's this?
Just open.
Okay. Open.
Where did you get this from? I saved it. We can use to start the business you want to start in the city.
Lillian, you brought all this money for me. How do I thank you? I love you. Lillian, I love you so much. How do I pay you back? Thank you. Thank you.
Which of you went into my room and stole the money I kept in the drawer? 500,000 naira. Who stole my money? Oh, you don't want to talk? None of you want to talk? Do you prefer me to bring out your phone before you say something? I'm asking you, are you all dead? I see. Jide?
Yes, my king.
You are the only one that know where that money is kept. I gave you that money specifically to keep it in my drawer. So where's my money?
My king, I don't know anything about this money. I kept it exactly where you asked me to keep it. Please.
So why did I see my money? Why did I see it?
Sir, I don't know, my king. Please. Please. I beg you in the name of God. Please. Please.
City. Wait for me.
Jide, I have given you enough time, days, to rethink and return my money. He seems to be strong-hearted. He don't want to do it, right?
Jesus Christ. My king. My king. You've trusted me so much.
And that is why you trust things that is more than that to me. I didn't do this. I kept this money exactly where you asked me to keep it. Please. I don't have anybody to help me. You know my family background. We don't steal. Please. Please.
It's alright.
King.
It's alright. Now, I want you to go to your room. Pack your things and leave my palace.
Jesus, my king. Please don't do this thing to me. My princess. Princess. My princess. Please. Princess. Princess, please. Please. Please.
I said go to your room now. Pack your things and leave my palace. Don't touch it. I'm not my palace.
My king, please don't do this thing to me, please. No. My prince.
Just
now.
go for now. It's okay. Just go for now.
It's okay, brother. It's okay. You see, wipe your tears. Just wipe your tears. I want to assure you, when one door closes, another opens. It is not the end of life. Sometimes you look frustrated. Sometimes it looks as if there is no hope. I assure you there is hope over there. These powers have committed atrocity against you. Just be strong. It is well. Let the will of God be done.
Sure.
That's the only thing I have to say. Just be strong. Just be strong, brother. Jide! We missed you. The whole palace missed you. Be strong. This palace will sing. Don't worry.
For him. The king has taken a very wrong decision. He's one of the best among us here. Who are we to question the decisions of the king? Just look at him.
It's okay, brother. It's okay. You see, wipe your tears. Just wipe your tears. I want to assure you, when one door closes, another opens. It is not the end of life. Sometimes you look frustrated. Sometimes it looks as if there is no hope. I assure you there is hope over there. These powers have committed atrocity against you. Just be strong. It is well. Let the will of God be done.
Sure.
That's the only thing I have to say. Just be strong. Just be strong, brother.
Jide! We missed you. The whole palace missed you. Be strong. This palace will see. Don't worry.
I feel for him. The king has taken a very wrong decision. He's one of the best among us here. Who are we to question the decisions of the king? Just look at him.
Lillian,
Mother,
what is going on?
I don't know. I'm feeling very feverish.
And you just vomited. Go and get up. Lillian, go and get ready. I'm taking you to the hospital right now.
Hospital?
Yes. You have finished yourself, not me.
Who is responsible for your pregnancy? Answer me, who is responsible?
You did not hear your father. You did not hear your father. What is wrong?
No. I'll talk. Okay. I'll talk. The thing is safe. Okay. I don't know him.
Let him was. You don't know, you can't recognize him. It's alright. It's alright. Take her in. Take her in and take care of her. Yes. Who knows? Who knows what the child is doing? Take her in.
I'm looking for Frank. Is he?
Someone here. Besides, he wasn't living here. He was always sporting with his fellow couple.
Can I see the couple? Can I talk to him?
He backed out as soon as Frank left. And I'm not that close to them as to have their number.
Nowhere to be found. That day I returned from London was the day I saw him in the palace.
Do you mean to say Lucy is my daughter?
Yes, she is. Heartless idiot!
No.
You think you can go scot-free?
No.
Oh, no way! No way!
Let me explain. Let's have a rethink.
Wait. Oh, you think you can just destroy me and go away with it?
No, I didn't destroy you. I haven't. No.
You fool.
No.
I made you a giant. and I can still reduce you to a dwarf.
I know, but wait. See, I can explain. I can make, we can see.
Go to hell and say hello to your grandma.
Hey!
What is it? What is wrong with you? Frank. What is your problem?
Nothing. It was a dream.
A dream?
It's okay, you can go back to sleep.
It was just a dream.
I hope you're okay.
I'm fine.
It's not my fault.
Really?
Just calm down, eh?
Whose fault? And tell me, is it your late father's fault? Is it?
No, wait, wait. You don't know what God has in mind. Maybe we...
Well, I do. God needs your soul.
That's a gun you're holding. How did you...
Search everywhere. Put your eyes on the ground. Find out where she has run to. Lillian must not escape me. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Go to work.
So, doctor, what is the solution now?
Like I said, God will do the rest. Though it happened at a very bad point. But everything has been taken care of.
So, with what you just said, Will he still recover fully?
The king. Hello, Dad. Okay.
Why? You fucked up big time! Big time! You still love him. I mean, he's the father of my child! I should have seen Mrs. V when he was trying to talk to me!
Just calm down, eh?
Whose fault? And tell me, is it your late father's fault? Is it?
No, wait, see, wait. You don't know what God has in mind. Maybe we...
Well, I do. God needs your soul.
That's a gun you're holding. How did you...
Oh my God! I just made us not die! I just made nothing happen second! Because I don't know what I'm going to do!
Give it to me.
Like you just got it! I just shot him!
I know it.
I shot the man I love! The man I want to be with! What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What?
It's not the end of the world.
I shot him! I shot!
I know.
I shot and it was too much!
I know.
I should have done that! I was so worried!
Yes, I know.
Oh God! It's going to die! Okay.
Listen to me. It is either you have a rethink and do the needful, or I'll tell my father the truth. And you know what that means? You will simply be thrown out of this palace. So choose your path wisely.
Your sister came in here with a knife, huh? Threatening to kill herself if I don't marry her.
Asa, are you stupid or what?
What is wrong with you? Why are you not marrying me off? What is wrong with you? Why are you not marrying me? Why are you not marrying me? What is wrong with you girls? Why are you not marrying me? Why are you not marrying me?
Your man. So you better stop.
Huh?
Why are you not opening?
Your sister wanted to rape me.
Frank, you're funny. What do you mean by that?
But I'm serious.
See, Frank, instead of you to tell me that you're in love with my sisters, I will understand that. Hmm? You're just a good comedian. Okay?
I'm a comedian.
That is what you are.
Okay, that's fine. If you say so.
So have you taken anything today?
I didn't tell you I was hungry yet.
Okay, so. Frank, you need to take more.
No.
Yes.
I'm fine. I had something to drink earlier.
I am happy for you. I'm happy that you're getting better. Thank God for you. Thank God for you. For us, Hey.
Have you seen Lillian?
Yes, this searching for her.
When you find her, tell her I have forgiven her. I'm alive. I didn't die, so
Yes.
she's still part of us.
Yes, it's true. Fine. But you should be thinking about your health for now, not Lillian, please.
She's still one of us.
Yeah. Please. She stopped talking. The doctor warned about it. Please. Just calm down first.
Now that this young man is getting better, what is our next plan?
We have to get Lillian before any other plan.
I thought as much. Nobody knows our next plan. I've asked my boys to search everywhere and they couldn't find her.
Leave that for me. I promised Frank that I'll find her as he has requested.
He did?
Yes, he did. Frank is a very good person. He said he has forgiven her.
That's good. Really good man. Please search for Lillian and bring her back to me. I don't care how much it will cost me. Please.
I'll try my best.
Thank you.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my
Lillian, I know you're very upset with me. It tells all of you, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I know it is hard. I know you're angry. I know you feel betrayed. And sometimes I feel like you went too far by doing what you did, but please forgive me and come back. We're one family. Even little Lucy misses you and she wants you back home.
And you think it's that easy? Well, I'm sorry. I can't. Lillian, I am your friend. Have you heard from him and your mom? I am convinced that all is well. Please go with them. And next time, my friend, be reasonable in your heart. You might not be this lucky again. Please.
rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart.
Dad, please, I'm so sorry.
I know that I am not worthy to be called your daughter anymore. I've hurt you so much. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. Please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, help me talk to him. Please help me talk to him. Dad, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I promise I will never do it again. I can't look at my daughter's face anymore. Dad, please forgive us. Precious. Please, Dad. Please, please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
My king, please give her another chance. Forgive her. I beg your highness.
Oh, please help me talk to him, please. Please, I thank you.
Obi, please. Forgive her. Forgive her.
Please, please.
This is strange. 3 for one man. Hey, I think you see sisters fighting like lion and tiger.
You would have been involved had it been you joined when you were eyeing the fine man.
Oh. I want to finance my case, so I would have run to go and take care of my problem. But that guy tried though.
He tried so much to avoid this incident. But these girls are desperados. They are desperados.
But come, is that guy the father of Lucy for real?
Was I in the room when it happened? Though they look alike. All I know is that this guy is a sharpshooter. I'm telling you.
All about this. All about go.
Please, I am leaving.
You're always leaving.
Oh,
My daughters, thank God for keeping us alive to see today. Also thank God for making us to understand our past mistake and use it to guide us against tomorrow. Lillian.
Dad.
You spoiled the whole thing. Even though you have a good case, but you spoiled it when you came in from abroad and you saw the man you've been looking for all this while and you failed to raise alarm. The fact that you have a child for him is not enough. It's not even an issue. You're not talking as now maybe your siblings to get pregnant for this same man. Good enough. Lucy now know her real father. So that's the only good thing we can extract from this. And as for you, Peggy.
Yes, Dad.
When Frank was warning you about your sister's advances to him,
I need you to speak to your sisters. I mean, you must caution them. The way they barge into my room, I'm not comfortable. I don't understand.
Frank, my sisters, they mean no harm. Okay? I know them too well. It's just that they can be lovely to a stranger. And that is all. Yes.
Okay. I just don't want any troubles, that's all.
Please, nothing. Just come on. Nothing is happening.
Okay.
My king, are you trying to tell me that you are ignorant of the movement of Asa and Lillian towards Peggy's room when Peggy is not around?
That does not signify any danger to me. And everybody loves Frank. And besides, we are one big family now. Be careful not to implant any evil thought in the mind of those children.
God forbid. I'm only trying to play the role of a good mother and wife.
I know, but let's be careful when we are doing it. Let's do it with wisdom. Can you please check if my food is ready?
Yes, my king.
Why did you take precaution or do something about it? I mean, all this mess now would have been averted. Well, what is it? Asa?
It is just her own that is confusing me because I don't understand her at all.
Anyway, I don't blame you. At all, I don't blame you. You want good thing for yourself and you went for it. You should have been your elder sister's husband, to be. But I said, that young man to make his own mistake.
No, my beloved husband. He was just trying not to disunite this family. He's dying in silence too.
Well, all the same. I want you all to join hands with me and your mother to make the marriage between Peggy and Frank a success. After the marriage, then we will know how to fix the rest. Do I make myself understood?
Well, one more thing. In addition to what your father has said, if you love your father and you still want to remain princesses, please do not let people outside hear this.
Exactly. And where is Lucy?
Oh, she's with her father upstairs.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Today is the best day of my life. And today I've been able to shut some mass up. I have to thank Luchy and Luchy for your effort in making this marriage a successful one. Ego. You know, we're only performing our duties. Exactly. You don't need to thank us. At all. Exactly. I know. To thank us. I still need to thank you. It's okay. Thank you very much. You are indeed my friend. And my special thanks also goes to my Lord. That's our only going on. Without her, I would have made a lot of irreparable mistakes. Yes. But she gave me a lot of good advice. Thank you very much. But this way is expected. Because she's always so behind every successful man, there's always a law. Behind every successful ego. You're right. And I pray by the authority of this throne and the gods of this land will bless each and every one of you. One by one. Yes. As you can see, there's a lot of things for us. It doesn't go ahead. Let's continue with the merriment. Yes, let's continue with the merriment. This is not the type of drum the other time. No, this one is sweeter. You have a way of getting this. You can say that again.
Yes, Dad.
I called both of you here to inform you that every arrangement has been made for your trip abroad.
Oh, really?
Yes. You'll be there until you give birth to your babies. Then when you return, we will now proceed with your marriage to Frank, one after the other.
How many women will my father marry? No, he will marry Auntie Peggy.
He is the crown prince now, so he can marry as many wives as he likes.
So, Grandmom, if he wasn't my father, he would have married me too.
Their eyes rolling, their heart envy, they want to come.
The last time I called Frank, he said that she was in labor.
Call them again. Or you go there yourself.
Okay, please. Let me call first.
Your Majesty.
Oh, what? Frank.
How is it?
Your Highness. Your Majesty. It's a boy.
Oh. Hardy. Oh, thank God. What are we to do now? We need to go to the hospital.
Yes.
Let's go.
Congrats, son.
Chikwa obuligo mwana kagaka. Odumi obuligo di mejesi igwa na-eri ihe mana ihu na-atọ ya mụ. Nwatari ọkụkọ gbara agba ọhụde n'ọrọwa ya anya o. Asị m ọhụde n'ọrọwa ya anya. Maka na ihe ọma dịba ya obodo ogbenye bịachara wee jụ na ekerekwe nga ekele ọnụ igwe o. Na-ekwe m na-ekwe oke ọkpa aja akụ mmanwụ etinye ụkọ mmanwụ igwe. Ndị obodo na-atụnyere gị maka na ihe ị na-eme dị anyị mma. Anyị na-achịrị gị aka ịnụ ọkwa gị nyụrụ mamịrị na mkpọ ọgwa aja na oposi. Igwe ekelekwe nga ekele ọnụ ya dịwa kene mgbọsị eji agwa icha.
My daughters, you are welcome back. I thank the gods of my forefathers for bringing you back home safely. Look at me now. I was a king without a son. But now I have 3 sons. The girls are awesome. They are wonderful. Now I will fulfill my promise. And that is to marry Lillian and Asa to Frank one after the other.
Thank you, Father. Thank you for being a king. That was words.
You're welcome.
Yes. But if you ask me, I would say there won't be need for that. Yes. Because God has been faithful. And He has opened greater doors. I got to see too. A medical doctor for them. He'll be here tomorrow with his people. As for my child, he can stay with his father. And Peggy here will be his mother. Thank you. Thank you so much, Father.
Oh, that's great.
Thank you very much.
That's great. I like that.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Igwe.
You're welcome, my daughter.
I also have my own prince.
Really?
Yes. He's from Urabe. Huh? And he is also based in London.
That is the son of my friend.
He says so, Dad. They will be here next week.
Really?
That's the way I planned it with Leah.
That's wonderful.
Then,
yes.
As for my son, he will follow his father.
That's good news.
Peggy, my love. He shall be his mother.
Wow, this is good news. And it called for celebration. Can we all move to the garden and have some drinks?
Of course, Father.
eyes rolling, their heart envy. They want to come and steal my man. Their eyes rolling, their heart envy.